chance to set the pace.
This Joe Devance.
Yes, loaded. Fully loaded. He's playing like he did in game number 1 when he scored 30 points. Can you imagine? The speaker already with 13 points.
Well, the Rocket answers back with his own three-pointer, and finally Ginebra breaking the single-digit barrier with 11 points in the period. But they have to find a way to stop this Alaska onslaught.
Alaska in the zone. I mean, they're feeling it. They're feeding off each other's energy. They're playing very, very confident right now.
4 points off the bench for Villanueva.
Nico, I still have to see the defensive intensity that Barangay Ginebra showed in game number 2. I don't know if they're tired or if they need to be able to get Willie Wilson in the game. But Rudy Hatfield is on the court, and I think Willie Wilson now ready to check in.
Well, Alaska's shooting as sweet as Christmas ham. Ginebra, they're shooting as if they're shooting with queso de bolas on the court. Balik tayo after this.
I-28.
Ako mamaya lalapit ako kay Sanitos, hingi ako ng pamasko kasi he's the boss. Sanitos.
But he doesn't look like Santa Claus to me.
And neither is he a little helper. Atakad ni Sani. But in the series, 15 points, 9 rebounds per game. And Sunny has been so instrumental in how Alaska's dominated game number 3 so far.
Well, Sonny Toss has certainly made his presence felt here, but not in terms of scoring, but more in terms of rebounding. You remember in game number 2, naka-18 points siya. But nalimit naman ng Ginebra yung ibang mga big-time scorers ng Alaska. You sort of felt that Ginebra gave Sonny Toss his points just so that they're able to limit the outside shooting of L.A. Tenorio and Joe Devance. And maybe that trick worked. But I think there's been a major offensive adjustment dito ng Alaska. So they're not really going to Sonny Toss for the points. They're spreading it out. They've got balanced offense now from all their players. And Sonny Toss going back to his basic role of getting the rebounds and intimidating underneath the basket.
Here's the Vance again. Inside, Hugnatan. And we're inside the last 2 minutes of the opening quarter. Here's Villanueva. Came up short.
Well, this is a really small lineup now on the floor for Coach Joseph Vinchico as Rudy Hatfield is sitting down. So JC Intal really has to help off the boards.
Here's Intal. You had that strong feeling that JC would play big in today's game.
I really think so. You take a look at what he did here. He left Joe Devance behind. He's a much better matchup for Joe Devance at the 3 spot. Because if Rudy Hatfield is playing number 3 against Joe Devance, he really gives up a lot because he's not able to help out on the rebounding end.
So 2 out of 2 para kay Intal. He has 5 points today. Lamang pa rin po ang Alaska. 32-15 in the opening period. Hugnatan. Back to the Vance. And Ginebra will run here. Here's Kagiwa. Kagiwa all the way. No! Kagiwa over to Villanueva. Villanueva against 2 defenders. And he turns around, twirls, and scores. And he has 6 off the bench.
A sweeping hook shot there and a power play. Rico Villanueva showing that he's not going to be intimidated by the size of Alaska. That's the way it should be. You have to play fearless against a front line as tall as Alaska's. I think they'll call an offensive foul against Alaska on that one.
That will be the 3rd personal laban kay Hugnatan. Watch it again.
And Hugnatan looking that he had a big mismatch at the post against Mark Kagiwa just devastated the defender.
I told you, Ginebra wants Mark to be naughty today. Wala ulit ng Ginebra. Willie Miller back in the game, but he loses the ball. Here comes Kablay. Kablay on the move. Kablay. No go. Hugnatan goes up and he is fouled.
Target foul number 11, Willie Miller. Penalty. That's his second personal.
Penalty na po ang Ginebra. Second personal laban kay Willie Miller. Willie Miller having a high school game so far.
Well, nothing to show for Willie Miller. He did have those 16 points in game number 2 after an anemic 2-point showing in game number 1. It's important that he's got his game going, especially his outside game and his ability to penetrate.
So 2 for 2 for Reynald Hugnatan. Lamang pa rin ang Alaska, 34-17. Time winding down in the opening quarter. Shot clock down to 10. Intal for 3. Titus Baguio. You know, the Aces could have gone for the last shot. Now they can go for the last shot. Here's Joe Devans. Then he misses. Battle for the rebound. Villanueva gets it. But not enough time here for another shot.
At the end of the first quarter is 34.
Well, Alaska led by as many as 20 points in the opening period. And they lead at the end of the first 12 minutes, 34-17. This is a do-or-die game. Winner moves on to the semifinals. Yung matatalo rito, magiging tunay na malamig ang kanilang Pasko.
Welcome back to the PBA. I'm with Coach Tim Cohn. Coach, really started out how you wanted to be up by 17 after the first quarter.
Yeah, we're playing the way we wanted to play. Came out relaxed, hit some shots, and playing some good defense. Controlling the boards, I think that's the key for us right now.
All right, thank you, Coach. Back to you guys.
First, Tim Cohn understandably sounding very confident as we begin the second quarter.
You know, another source of confidence for Coach Tim Cohn is the way his bench has responded. And this is the team that's peaking at the right time. Remember, they started off hot with 3-0, then they lost 4 straight. But now, at this stage of the season and in the playoffs, you see Alaska going a lot to its bench. Reynald Hugnatan, Bonbon Custodio, Tony De La Cruz coming off the bench in this game. Mark Borbaran providing quality minutes. And I think this all goes well for Alaska, going deep into the playoffs.
Well, they're really happy to get Reynald Hugnatan back because si Reynald, he was the heart and soul of that second unit. In the Fiesta Conference, meantime, bola pa rin dito ng Aces. We welcome into the second quarter. Kablay uncorks. In and out. Almost, but not quite.
You know, he's also been a key contributor for Alaska over the last 3 games. Recently reactivated Brandon Kablay.
Here's Kagiwa pulling up. Yung shot clock para sa Ginebra. Wala pa pong nakaka-score dito sa second quarter. And Willie Wilson fires away.
That's a big shot there for Barangay Ginebra, but they really shouldn't rely on offense to get them back in this game. If they want to get into the swing of things, they've got to play that kind of defense. And right now, Willie Wilson, look at the way he's playing defense on Joe Devans, forcing Devans to give up the ball. They don't want him shooting. They want him passing. Oh, Willie Miller. Here's a exchange of turnovers, but Willie Miller has been haunted by turnovers in this game.
Well, Rudy Hatfield is back in the ball game, and look who's in, JJ Helterbrand. I mean, we were wondering if Jong Wichig would actually use JJ in this game. Did not play in games 1 and 2, but here in the rubber match, kinailangan na si JJ Helterbrand, and he will join Hatfield, Miller, Wilson. That's Willie Wilson and Ronald Tubit. Tubit from the corner, no go.
Well, that outside shooting of Barangay Ginebra has been atrocious so far. Now, J.J. Hildebrand gives them supposedly some quickness and some leadership on the floor.
Here's Custodio. J.J. Hildebrand with the basketball. Hildebrand to Miller. Miller to Wilson. Wilson, 2 fakes. Wilson scores. And Ginebra showing signs of life. And Ginebra's fans inside the Cuneta Astrodome can see it. They can feel it. But Alaska still on top, 34-21.
Also, the PBA calendar 2011 is now a bit over 100.
Pati sapatos. Christmas motif.
Pareho sila, ha? Si Tony De La Cruz at si Brandon Coblay.
From the sintas to the shoes.
Hanggang sa ating
Christmas
panelists
spirit.
for TV.
O ikaw, nakapula.
Tapos ka na
verde.
naka-green. Tama.
Oo. Kita nyo naman.
Tayo.
Talagang
Naka-Christmas colors.
Oo. Ayan. Pang ano talaga, pang Christmas Day ball game. Yeah. Tony De La Cruz and Brandon Coblay. And right now, Ginebra with a resurgence here early in the second quarter.
Well, Barangay Ginebra looking to put some oomph now to their attack because Alaska's not playing with a big lineup. In fact, they're playing with a lot of relievers on the floor. So this is the chance for Barangay Ginebra to do something. And Alaska running out of time.
They did something.
It's defense. Ito's kasasabi lang natin, no? It's not going to be offense that will bring Barangay Ginebra back in this game. It's got to be defense. That intensity has to be there. And right now on the floor, they've got 3 key defensive players. Rudy Hatfield, Willie Wilson, and Ronald Tubig.
Shot knocked down to 10. Wilson has been the man of the moment. And he has been the man of the moment para sa Ginebra. Scoring back-to-back baskets for the Jane Kings.
Well, Willie Wilson actually wanted to pass the ball. Wala lang siyang mapasahan. So he said, sandali, baka to, busa na ako ng oras.
Gagawa ko na ng paraan to. So glad you could join us. This is Basketball by the Bay Christmas edition. Live po tayo on Christmas Day mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. Nico Halili with El Decano, Senyor Kenito Henson.
And Nico, look at the adjustment here of Coach Tim Con, realizing that he had 5 second-unit players on the floor in the midst of this Barangay Ginebra surge. So quickly he brings back Sonny Toss and L.A. Tenorio for that stability that he needs on the floor.
Here's Tony De La Cruz. Tenorio wants that ball. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Alaska. Borboran is in motion. But Borboran did not receive that pass.
Well, that defense of Barangay Ginebra now showing its teeth. And Alaska lapsing into 1 turnover after another. That's 9 turnovers in the game now for Alaska.
Here's Hildebrand for 3. There's Willie Wilson again. But he misses the putback. And a counter-attack here para sa Alaska. They're still on top by 12 points. Here's Kablay, deep right corner. Sammy Toss against Hatfield. Back to Kablay. Kablay pulling up. Rebound para kay Tubit.
That field goal percentage is going down for Alaska.
Here's Miller. Another turnover para kay Willie Miller.
It's not his day. Willie Miller is not playing the way he should be on Christmas Day.
What a breakdown though by L.A. Tenorio.
It's showtime again for Alaska.
Tenorio with 12 points.
You know, what a contrast, Nico. L.A. Tenorio is playing superb basketball and Willie Miller playing completely the opposite way.
Here's Wilson. Well, Willie Wilson now with 7 points off the bench. Score natin, 36-24. Lamang pa rin ang Alaska as we near the halfway mark of the second quarter. Here's Tenorio against Hildebrand. Tenorio moves in. Runner, no go. Hatfield with the